आज हम AIB 19 के पार्ट सेकंड को डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51, by which constitutional amendment was clause 4B inserted into Article 16? Option C, 81. Question number 52, which of the following statement is correct about 106th Constitutional Amendment Act? Right answer is option number A, second, third, fifth. Question number 53, the Parliament enacts the Fair Housing Act 2024, which includes the following provisions. Right answer is option number D, doctrine of severability. Question number 54, the reports of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India relating to the accounts of a state shall be submitted to the Governor. Option number C is the right answer. Question number 55, which of the following articles of the Constitution of India declares that the Supreme Court shall be a court of record? Option number A, Article 129. Question number 56. In which case was a registered society held to be an authority? Purpose of Article 12. Right answer is option number D. Ajay Asia versus Khalid Mujib. Question number 57. In which case did the Supreme Court of India held that fundamental? Right answer is option number B. Question number 58. Who can initiate impeachment proceeding against the President of India? Right answer is C. Either House of Parliament. Question number 59. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 considers force to be criminal force. Option number A, when it is used intentionally without consent, causing injury, fear, or annoyance. Question number 60. According to Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, what is the maximum fine for making or using a document that resembles a currency note or a bank note under section 182 clause 1? Option number A is the right answer, 300 rupees. Question number 61. According to the provisions of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, the right of private defense of property extends to the voluntary, voluntary causing of death or of any other harm to the wrongdoer in which of the offenses committed or attempting to be committed. Option number B is the right answer. Question number 62. Rajesh, in a heated argument with Sunil, strikes him with a heavy iron rod. The blow fractures Sunil's arm and he is unable to use it for several weeks. The medical report confirms that the fracture amounts to grievous hurt. Which of the following offences has Rajesh committed? Option number D is the right answer, voluntarily causing grievous hurt under section 325 of IPC. Question number 63. Amit, intending to cause the death of Vijay, attacking him with a knife. Vijay sustains severe injuries and dies on the spot. The investigation reveals that Amit acted with the knowledge that his actions were likely to cause death. However, there is no evidence of premeditation or intent to murder Vijay. Which of the following offences has Amit committed? Question number Option number D, culpable homicide not amounting to murder under section 304 of IPC. Question number 64. Which article deals with the powers, privileges, and immunities of Parliament and its member? 105. Question number D is the right answer. Question number 65. Which constitutional amendment act inserted provided uh, related to GST? Option number A is the right answer, 101. Question number 66. A new offense of snatching has been introduced by the BNS. Which section of the BNS defines snatching as an offense? Option number B is the right answer, 304. Question number 67. Consider the following statements and answer the question given below. Mr. Patel, being a police officer, receives a complaint and information that Raju was involved in a robbery of bank and has also helped to hide the valuable properties in his farm, as stated by two villagers. With this regard, consider the following. The police officer, Mr. Patel, may arrest Raju without warrant when option number D is the right answer, second and third. Question number 68. BNSS introduced the provision of registration of FIR relating to commission of cognizable offence irrespective of area where the offence is committed. This FIR is known as zero FIR. D. Question number 69. The BNS mandates a forensic team to visit the crime scenes to collect evidence for offences punishable with imprisonment for at least 7 years. A is the right answer. Question number 70. Which section of the BNSS allows for trial in absentia of proclaimed offenders? Option number A is the right answer. 356. Question number 71. Which section of BNSS facilitates trials and proceedings to be held in electronic mode? 530. Option number B is the right answer. Question number 72. Which section of BNSS repeals the Code of Criminal Procedures 1973? Option number C is the right answer. 531. Question number 73. Amit and Rani decide to break into a house at night and with the intent of stealing valuables. The, they use a crowbar to force open the door, but before they can take anything, the owner of the house, Vikram, unexpectedly arrives home. Amit and Rani panic and run away without stealing anything. The police arrest them the following morning based on a complaint from Vikram. Which of the following offences under the BNS have Amit and Rani committed? Option number D is the right answer. House trespass with intent to commit theft. Question number 74. Punishment for rape in cases where the victim is a woman below the age of 16 or 12 is included in which section of the BNS? Option number D is the right answer. 65. Question number 75. Which section of BNSS introduces provisions for identifying, attaching, and forfeiting the property of proclaimed offenders located outside India? Option number B is the right answer. 86. Question number 76. Which section of BNSS places restrictions on the adjournment of trials, ensuring the expeditious resolution of cases? Option number A is the right answer. 346. Question number 77. A suit is pending in District Court A, but one of the parties, Mira, requests its transfer to District Court B, claiming that the judge in Court A is biased. The opposing party, Ravi, objects, stating that the request is baseless. Who has the authority to decide whether the suit can be transferred? Option number D is the right answer, the High Court or the Supreme Court. Question number 78. Maya files a suit in Court A for the recovery of a sum of money from her neighbor Neha. During the proceedings, Neha requests that a third party, Seema, be added to the suit as Seema is allegedly liable for the debt. Maya objects, claiming that Seema is not a necessary party. Court A then reviews the application and decides that Seema should indeed be included as a defendant. Which principle of the CPC is applied in this situation? Option number C is the right answer. Order 1. Rule 10. Joinder and substitution of parties. Question number 79. Which section of the CPC allows for the appeal from original decrees? Option number C is the right answer. Section 96. Question number 80. Under the CPC, what is the maximum time limit for filing a written statement in a suit? Option number B is the right answer. 90 days. Question number 81. Which section of the CPC provides exemption of the President of India and the governors of states from personal appearance in court? Option number D is the right answer. Section 133. Question number 82. What is the term used for a court's power to transfer a case from one court to another under the Code of Civil Procedure? Option number B is the right answer. Transfer of suits. Question number 83. Under which order of the CPC the procedure for summary suit is provided? Option number D is the right answer. Order number 37. Question number 84. Which section mandates state government prepare and notify a witness for the state with a view to ensure the protection of witnesses? Option number B is the right answer. 398. Question number 85. Which section of BNSS mandates the appointment of a designated police officer and police station to provide information about arrested individuals to the general? Option number A is the right answer. 37. Question number 86. Which section of the CPC provides for the payment of compensatory costs? Option number D is the right answer. Section 35 clause A. Question number 87. Which word is inserted in section 22 of the BSA that was not present in section 24 of the Evidence Act? Option number D is the right answer. Coercion. Question number 88. Existence of course of business when relevant is discussed in. Option number A is the right answer. Section 14 of the BSA 2023. Question number 89. In a criminal trial, Rajesh is accused of theft. During the investigation, the police recovered a stolen laptop from a location known to be frequented by Rajesh. His fingerprints are found on the laptop according to the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniam 2023. How should the court interpret this piece of evidence? Option number D is the right answer. The recovered laptop and fingerprints are circumstantial evidence that can be considered along with other evidence but do not by themselves prove guilt beyond reasonable doubt. Question number 90. Where a document is executed in several parts like printing, lithography, or photography, video recording, computer resource as a electronic or digital records. The BSc 2023 classifies each part as a primary evidence. Option number C is the right answer. Question number 98. 91. Which section of BSA provides that no court shall require any communication between the ministers and the President of India to be produced before it? Option number D is the right answer. 165. Question number 92. According to section 46 of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniam, when character evidence is relevant in civil cases? Option number D is the right answer. Only when related to other relevant fact. Question number 93. Which section of the CPC deals with the principle of res judicata? Option number C is the right answer. Section 11. Question number 94 of the CPC provides for an interpleader suit. Option number C is the right answer. Section 88. Question number 95. Which of the following is characteristic of mediation? Option number D is the right answer. It involves a neutral third party who facilitates negotiation between the parties. Question number 96. A dispute arises between ABC Limited and XYZ Private Limited regarding a contract that both parties have entered into. The agreement includes an arbitration clause which states that any disputes shall be referred to arbitration. However, the parties fail to agree on the appointment of an arbitrator. Which of the following provisions of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 would be applicable to resolve the issue of the appointment of an arbitrator? Option number C is the right answer. The court will appoint an arbitrator under Section 11 if the parties fail to agree on one. Question number 97. Which of the following is not an advantage of using ADR? Option number A is the right answer. It always results in a binding decision. Question number 98. Kiran and Meera are involved in an arbitration where Kiran was awarded rupees 10 lakh as compensation. Meera refuses to pay the amount, arguing that the award was not enforceable because of certain procedural irregularities in the arbitration process. Kiran decides to approach the court to enforce the arbitral award. Which of the following provisions of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 covers the enforcement of an arbitral award? Option number D is the right answer. Section 36 of the Act allows for the automatic enforcement of an arbitral award unless set aside by the court. Question number 99. As per Section 78, Clause 2 of the BSA 2023, presumption about the officers signing or certifying a document is. Option number A is the right answer. The officer held the official character claimed when signing or certifying the document. Question number 100. Under Section 146 of the BSA 2023, when the leading questions are permissible in the court proceedings. Option number B is the right answer. Leading questions are permitted during cross examination and when matters are introductory, undisputed, or sufficiently proved. Thank you very much.